In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export MT5 data to Excel for analysis. First, launch your MetaTrader 5 platform and sign in to your trading account. Make sure you're connected to the correct account you want to analyze, especially if you manage multiple accounts or profiles. Give the platform a moment to load your recent activity so everything is up to date. Next, open the area where your trading history lives. Look at the bottom panel and click Toolbox, or simply press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. In the Toolbox window, switch to the History tab. This is where MT5 stores your closed trades, deposits, withdrawals, and balance operations. If the panel isn't visible, pressing Ctrl+T again usually brings it into view. Before exporting, choose the time span you want. Right-click anywhere inside the history window and select All History if you want everything, or pick a custom period like the last 3 months. Choosing a focus period keeps your file smaller and speeds up Excel work later, especially if you're only comparing a recent strategy or a specific quarter. With the date range set, right-click in the History window again and click Save as Report. MT5 will generate an HTML report that includes all the trades and summary stats for the period you selected. Choose a clear file name and a folder you'll remember, such as your desktop or a dedicated Trading Reports folder. This makes it easy to find in the next step. Now switch to Excel. Open Excel first so it's ready, then drag the saved HTML report file straight into an empty workbook, or use File, Open, and browse to the file. Excel will automatically convert the report into a structured table with columns like ticket, symbol, type, volume, open and close times, prices, commissions, swaps, and profit. If any columns look off, check that Excel recognized dates and numbers correctly. You can adjust formatting in the ribbon if needed. With your data in Excel, you're ready to analyze. Sort by symbol, profit, or closing date to spot best and worst performers. Add simple formulas to total profit and loss, calculate average win and loss, or compute win rate. Use filters to isolate specific symbols or sessions, and insert charts to visualize equity over time or distribution of returns. Pivot tables are excellent for quick summaries by symbol, strategy tag, or week. As you review, keep an eye on the report's time zone and currency so your comparisons are consistent. Once you've built a layout you like, save the workbook as a template for faster updates the next time you export from MT5. And that's it. Your MT5 history is in Excel and ready for deep analysis.